Well, Israel seems to be on the fast road out of this pandemic. This week, the country lifts more of its COVID-19 restrictions, including increasing the number of people allowed at stadium events and removing a cap on the number of Israelis flying into the country each day. It's conveniently happening just in time for a national election. Coincidence? Only the numbers will tell. Chana Rifkin has more.
85 new cases of the novel coronavirus were reported on Saturday, and 1.7% of tests returned positive, according to the Sunday morning update by the Health Ministry. Of those infected, 561 were in serious condition, and 199 were on ventilators. The death toll stood at 6,085. The R number, measuring how many people each virus carrier could infect, dropped to 0.65 on Sunday as well. The percentage of positive daily tests is at the lowest it's been since late November. Meanwhile, over 4.5 million Israelis have been fully vaccinated with both doses of the coronavirus vaccine. In total, 5,184,902 Israelis have received at least the first dose of the vaccination, and 61% of Israelis are at least 2 weeks after their first dose. The Israeli government has approved new regulations on arrival and departures from Ben Gurion Airport. From Saturday at midnight, there are no longer restrictions on the number of people allowed to enter the country. Passengers will no longer be asked to check their temperature while entering the terminal and before boarding. According to the latest regulations, in a confined area with more than 5,000 seats, the number of people inside must not exceed 30% of its capacity, and no more than 3,000 people overall. In a room with less than 5,000 seats, the number of people must not exceed 50% of its capacity and no more than 1,000 people overall. And according to the Prime Minister, Israel seems to be on its way out of the pandemic. Chana Rifkin, ILTV.